Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert. Today I'm going to show you how to get the reciprocal of a number in Excel. The reciprocal of a number is basically just the number flip-flopped. In mathematical terms, for example, 1 over 2 would become 2 over 1, or 1/2 would become the number 2. So going to my Excel spreadsheet, I have several numbers. For example, the number 5. To get the reciprocal of the number 5 here, I can just start by typing equals 1, type a / for dividing, and then click on cell A5 that contains the number 5 and press enter. So now it has calculated the reciprocal, which is 1 over 5 or 0.2. And I can drag the formula up using the bottom right handle of that formula cell to get the reciprocal of all these other numbers as well. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to use Excel to get the reciprocal of a number.